Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to do a super quick install of the MESO Customs Push2Start button, alright? So this is actually intended for the Toyota Tacoma, but MESO Customs actually posted on Instagram that this actually works for the 2020 Toyota 4Runner as well. So I went ahead and grabbed it. Obviously got the red one, and then I also got the blackout ring that will replace the old chrome one. So super easy, super quick install. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so in the package, what comes with the push to start button mod is instructions, a nice sticker, the button itself. It also comes with a removal tool to take out your old OEM button. And then obviously I got the blackout ring that I'll be replacing my chrome one with. How I'm going to be taking the trimming off is with my iFixit toolkit. This is actually meant for like removing phones and stuff like that, but I found that these tools are super useful, really sturdy to be taking out trim inside cars. So these are the tools that I'm going to be using. I might not need all three of these. This might be the only one that I need. So let's give it a shot. Here we go. So just going to work my way around this really easily. There you go. Comes right off. This is the chrome trim. As you can see, I scuffed it a little bit, but replacing it anyways. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our tool, our removal tool of the old button, and what you want to do is you want to squeeze this right in between, kind of pop. All right, so that's the old one. Take our new one, pop it out, line it up. Push it in. So you line it up, guys. Press it in. Seat it all the way. Let's give it a try. Looks good. Guys, I also wanted to just put in a plug for this one. This is the new AJT steering wheel blackout overlay. It's super, super nice. It's made out of a really nice ABS plastic with double-sided 3M adhesive. You just basically plop it onto your old one and it's super nice. So you can see, super easy to install it. I really hated that chrome emblem because the reflection just hits my eyes right off of this. So this is a much needed and very welcome modification. Give you a closer look at the push to start button. So it does glow. It does glow. It does have a transparent white section in it. Very nice.